The unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 centered at the origin of a coordinate plane. It is fundamental in defining trigonometric functions. The coordinates of points on the unit circle correspond to the cosine and sine of angles. For an angle theta, the coordinates are cosine theta and sine theta. To illustrate this, let's compute the sine and cosine for an angle of 30 degrees. First, we convert 30 degrees to radians. 30 degrees is equivalent to pi over 6 radians. Now we can find the sine and cosine values for this angle. The cosine of pi over 6 is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. The sine of pi over 6 is equal to 1/2. Now let's summarize these results. For an angle of 30 degrees or pi over 6 radians, we have the cosine value as square root of 3 over 2 and the sine value as 1/2. To check your understanding, what are the sine and cosine values for an angle of 60 degrees? The sine of 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2, and the cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2. In summary, the unit circle provides a way to compute sine and cosine values for common angles. Remember the key coordinates for these angles.